Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be looking at a situation that I hope you never find yourself in. A couple of different ways to break out of a locked trunk. Hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, I've actually cleared out my trunk to try this, but make sure you never try this without some backup or having someone here to help you out of the trunk if you actually get stuck. But if you're looking at a car that is 2002 or newer, check this out. This is the inside of the 2014 Honda Accord, and there is a little glow-in-the-dark latch right there that's going to let you open the trunk from the inside, and we're going to give this a shot. Alright, so this is the locked trunk, and I'm looking for, I gotta turn towards the back. See that little glow-in-the-dark switch? That's one way. Here's a second way. So what I did with this little switch right here, that second time, I got to kick in the back seat. Probably not the best way if somebody's throwing this in the trunk, but you know, you got to have options, right? Okay, if y'all missed the second way that I actually got out, I actually pulled this lever here, and I was able to kick in the back seat wall and head out towards the back seat if I needed to. But if you were actually stuck in a car that was older than 2002, your best bet would be to actually try to get to any tools that might be sitting in a trunk there. So most trunks have stuff to change tires. You know, I have a tire iron right here. I could probably wreck out the back and bust out the back brake light and stick something out that back brake light to let someone know that I am stuck in the trunk. The other thing that you could possibly do, this is a little bit more far-fetched, but you can take out this jack here, put it on this solid area, and start unscrewing it, maybe raising it up to pop your way out of the trunk. That's going to take a little bit longer, but hey, you're not going anywhere. All right, so the last possibility is if someone actually throws you in the trunk with your phone. That would be one of the best possibilities to have there. Go ahead and call the cops or anybody that you would know and let them know where you are. And that's pretty much it. That's what I have. If you have any questions, comments, post it down below. Other than that, have a great day.